Professor Maggi. There is no danger.
Oh no. Ricky Fire, show them star. I will job bless. JB, baby, not in no man case. Mad bread over our west. Empress Pookie, no time to waste. And now you no tamba. Baby, need a titi, shall no eat. Kana uchiti unokona kuwaina baby ndiratite zvaunoita kana uchigona kutambisa riri wani ndiratite zvaunoita kana pauriskirire seririti ndiratite zvaunoita
ndosaka asati aroro vamwe varume varipo but ndiye asumuka kundigadzira mike but it's okay. It's all love.
Helping the midgets of this world.
It's all love, my guy. It's all love. Yeah. Ricky Fire. Dabanapo was song I got in Tangan, but anyway, Nangela Winky deep, but I guess I'm going to confusion because okay, then a winky delight like so. Now, I didn't say winky deep, but I saw Ricky Fire, but it's okay. One moon, I no fake a petticoat head to toe. Icho. Is that Tishikura soka growing up? Why took to CCC? Why bafunga kuti cash, cars, cell phone. Rikifaya kati shangzaita. But Jagaramba. Fortunately or unfortunately, akazongopowa mota kuzanu. Saka zvakazoita. And ndamona achirola. Andimka VW. And VW chake wina. Now Chandra Mahara. I think Zanu PF our Davanum based on their talents. And hold on. Hold on. Holy Tenica. Mira, Holy Tenagapi wachi? Range Rover. Ricky Fine Vapua VW yage. It's okay. What's that dog figure like a wachi? Pepsi. Kala, Baba, Kala. Adziri talented. But tomukoseka zvedu apills nenyaya relebo rake kuti zvigaba ndoziya akapfeka ndoziya akapfeka pakadzingwa kumasova panze akabva gadzira yake kanzi zvigaba but korikifaya nadog vikela boys idzi dzakafambira zvigaba zvemiranda Hold it. Of course I can hold it. I couldn't weak again. And with them what? I can't do. Magundinzo. I'm smoking away. Right? Ndo zvakaita kuti ndinonoke kuroorwa izvi ndaingotorerwa guys ndaingotorerwa ndikapiwa choenda ndikapiwa woenda but ndandaba naabuse asati ambosangana zvedu but ndokuziya okay not wewe ndongozwa kuti une mbiri yekuita one album rine 45 masong 45 tracks guys masoja akapinda mutown at a 45-degree angle. Like one of my hits. But appeals. But 45 my song, guys. Bakashaya one. Wangu. Auna zvimwe zvekuite. Not vangobatsirana guys, ngobatsirana. Pamwe munhu angefunga kuti music ndo yake but it's Saka stara appeals chama appeals ndira kutsvagira here. Stara ke chari mukomana anonzi Tanaka. Vabereki vake vakafunga kuti you know what zvaita. Tanaka. Handisi but vakazoona kuti hapana. Kana baba wake vakabva vashamura. Zita rake rechi2 anonzi Bruce. Mbomira dzungu anonzi Bruce. I don't tolerate basa. Look at him. Mutari said, look at our pills. Ane masimi na Bruce Lee mbijana. Bantu kote pa karate. Komana kutamba namo kuchingitungizo. Mukomana is fighting for survival pa ewa. Pa elo. Ndo kufana kweta endeno vasonzi. Rimwe star yake. Sengerangara taurwe. Mwana wa Faro. But he's never been to Egypt. For that I'm sure was it. The only similarities yanayo ne kunzi Faro ka ndekuti kare yake iri kuperera ichienda kumudenga se pyramid. But wangu Tanaka, Bruce, Appius, mwana wa Faro. Identity crisis guy. Ayo. Chimbonotsvaka baba wako unoti zvakamira sei. Dog. Arikunditichidzidzira nzindo kumamisa. Yakanimbomsiya bashupi. I touched a code but anga tiri ku green room na bashupi apa ndikati kari yenyu yakazokumudzopera zvikanzi kari yaipi. Vabva vapinda defense mode. Kari yaipa ndakari yenyu. Hanzi ndiri instrument. Ndinenge gitara rinongoti rinongoramba richingoridzwa. Wona song yangu godo. Andati song yenyu. Mati song yani? But bashupi wangu ka. Bashupi is like zvihuta zvemuindustry. Zvaibopisa ka. But eventually everyone moves on to something better when they stop struggling. But he is the only one. Akamboemba na Stana. Akamboita association na Stana. Akasaita mari. He's also the master of multitasking. So bata kweseka one. He can simultaneously ruin a song, a theater performance, a marriage, and his career. Kawan. He didn't need years to do that. Kawan, guys, what you got? Tombo enda kumatebeleland. Kumatebeleland.
Skojwa.
Guys, Simuka was giving away tickets. Well, the thought of giving away tickets kune vana vema panelists. But pazo shika pana babongile. But also now they would need HICC. Saka, unfortunately, we could not get extra tickets for our kids. But yeah, inotambika. Babongile vakaramba mwana. Zvokuti unzi mwana wako varamba dasi mwana wangu. And then he got fined $300,000. 12 years later, $300,000. That proves kuti wangu kungoisa musoro chete kunodhura. Kupfura kungobvumirana kuti wangu kungodyanana panapa. And I understand, Babongile, why you quit Sky's Metro. Akakuita vuka breakfast show. Zonetsa kuita show inonzi vuka breakfast show. Abo une erectile dysfunction. But I just want to be real with you. Like, don't even think Kuti, you're here on this show because you deserve it. It's just optics. Papa, you do one check my material and so. She'll sell out. She'll sell out like. No one's said Babongile. Black Pearl. King. Now, but that Lusagas. King. What's the king? Why king? Remember song is the king. We just did the king. No, was it? No, when I first met Black Pearl, before I met her actually, they think got a chance of my filter up. They think it's a filter. Maziso eyes. Black Pearl's eyes are so big that she was the first to see Jesus 2 years before. I think I'm spotted with uyo. But no, it's not filters. It's actually her eyes. And I was like, wow. But when I'm Black Pearl came from being wife material, body she nice, to being comedy material. I mean, that's what happens when you date rappers. Was it only 10? One who don't date rappers. That's not bad. Wangu. Unabozoti ungori second choice ya nobo. After I squad mu brother zone na Trey Young. What
the fuck?
Look at it. Look at her. Look at her. My locks, dreadlocks.
That's hard.
Female rapper. Just another version of Trey Young.
Too much.
Dog Vikela. I know eventually, I had to get to you and eventually. You want to joke, but it's okay. Eventually. It must be great being Mukadzwa Dog Vikela. But Pangwe laundry, bye. I don't go watch a suit 1, nema scarf 6. Happens. And then she's done. But productivity, chai dog, nets. No, he's been. Mushiwa is very successful, but he's trying. Dog kambotanga chitonge sura chita yeah. But apana kazvakaenda kanti izvi hazisi kundiunza mari sulo chanenge sitorinobe ndovati rega ndichimbotochi mukuru vangu zinondiunzirawo bhegi But also, you cannot copy being ED. Because when ED chooses his cabinet, anoti Casti Coventry, or Vatiji, Mtuli Mube, Bakana Dog Villa choose a cabinet yake. $20 per Glenview. Don't go on a cabinet yake.
It's okay. It's okay.
But back to productivity. Akatona kuti ini zvinogona Rega ndatora mukadzi ane mwana wake kudhara. Maivikela makati zvenyu. Umofara here. Alright, I want know. Even paakanda ku-State House pacho. Paakazokutsika. Anditi. Paakazokutsika. Akadzoka achita kunge tafirwa. Akabata maoko. Guys, now we are...
You didn't get to sana.
Kuda. Anonzi Kuda. Ana bigoten san bisan Kuda. Kuda. Kuda is the DJ Towers we could north. Nigga has been begging for years. So kuti vanhu go fund vakatoka kuti adzoka. Go fund chete. Azongoende pane mbinga out vachingoti mdara makasimba chichichi aiwa no. Go fund. But I've got a question for you. When you look like a couch potato, is it ethical for you to sell vegetables?
No.
It's a good question.
Look at me and look at him. But whilst we're at it, is it also ethical for you to have bigger boobs than I do?
It's a good question.
That's hard, bro.
I mean, look at his behavior. Look at his behavior. It's proof. It's proof that all demons that pastors cast out go to either pigs or their children. In this case, it could be both. But do you know that before Kuda was begotten son, he was working as a night porter in the UK.
I was.
For those who don't know what night porter is, ndima wobo. But I noticed the trend. Pane alumni yoku Prince Edward. Kuda na cow. Besakadza PE. Cow Kuda akangiri night porter ku UK. Cow akata nurse aid ku UK. Back then, Kuda na cow Vane my ideas, guys. These niggas have got ideas for days. Bus, I'm going to live in a bus. Kuda, but one thing about them is my ideas are cho azo. I know gumi. I don't know. I realized. But the panos was sian and the pap. Kuda nevana. But then again, she knows Ziva. Sumo you know Tichi? She knows Ziva Eve. So let's not be too quick, can it? But guys, it's been real. You know it's all love.
That's hard.
Ricky, Babo, Queen, Doc, Bashofi, Doc Day. Baba na kana go don't funge. Pills. No, sha. Bo. This is not about boy ndo na boy there saka. Kuda. Please guys, go easy on me. Go easy on me. Pamela my joke saying you be mindful kuda ngwethi nema room ever audience. Asika na maguta ya pel. Go ahead.